Welcome to another episode. This is your boy B, and this is the Barber Spotlight. Today, what we got going on today?
Alright, today we're going to do like a little mid fade, keep a shadow. Okay. And then do a little fade on the beard. And nice little nice transition. Might throw a part back in there.
A little part back in there. Alright, cool. Well, listen. Let me get out of your space, cause I know, let you do what you do. You're the legend, you know what I'm saying? I'm just a visitor in this cast. So, Lauren, how long you been in the industry?
I've been licensed for 8 years. I initially started cutting when I was 16.
Wow.
Got in a little bit of trouble, and my uncle just kind of forced some clippers in my hand. I worked a few odd jobs here and there, but I ended up going to school for barbering, and I chose barbering over the military just for the freedom. And I haven't looked back since. I don't know what I'd be doing if I wasn't cutting hair though. That's crazy.
Now, where are you from originally?
Originally, I'm from California. Born in San Diego, kind of raised everywhere. So I spent my teenage years and to my adult years in the Bay Area. And I moved to Sacramento for barbering. So you could say I'm just an international of California, all the little cities, major cities. It's easy to take life for granted.
Right.
And at any given moment, your life can be gone just by the simple choices that you've made. I say barbering has kept me very focused on what I want out of life. Although, it's hard to say what you want specifically from life, but this was something that gave me something to work towards, like as far as a goal.
Right.
Whether I didn't know how long I wanted to be a barber, I thought I was just going to do this, temporarily until I went to the service, until I realized, like, hey, I'm able to survive and make a living for myself, make an honest living with that. So, people think that you have to do everything else on the side in order to be a successful barber, and that's not the case. Technically, I'm a third-generation barber.
Tell me a little bit more about that. You're saying you're a third-generation barber.
Yeah, my great-grandfather was a barber, and then my uncle became a barber. So it was a pretty cool transition from trying to just hang out all day and be in the streets to actually doing art. I never like to cut into the beard. I try to keep it natural as possible. Especially, you never know, how high it can grow. A lot of people cut into its potential. I would only cut it low if it was uneven to even it out. But for the most part, I like to try and keep it high because all that can grow in. It's, it's a new growth. Right. When you want your beard, you want it to be thick and luscious. I don't like necessarily coming up to the jawline. I like to keep it a little bit lower than the jawline. Only because depending on the structure of your face, like if you take it up too high underneath, it can make your neck look fat. You just want to do what's fitting for the face.
So you'll say that the beard and where the beard sits and how it's shaped can really change the structure of your face.
Absolutely.
And your beard.
Absolutely. You know, from the client's perspective, know what you want out of your beard and from your haircut, but also from the barber's perspective, understand that, like you said, you are the educator, so you need to educate your client in what they need to do in order for them to have healthy skin and to help their beard grow. I'm gonna throw a little enhancements on the line. Just a little spritz, help it stick. And overall on the hairline, I don't like to do like spray enhancement. I do like little light fibers, because you still, even though you're enhancing the cut, you want it to look as natural as possible.
Alright, there you have it. This is the Barber Spotlight. We spotlight LaurenDaLegend with her client Jovi. Hey, you did an amazing job.
Appreciate it.
Job.
Thank you.
Let everybody know where they can find you and how if they want to come and sit in your chair.
You can find me on IG at LaurenDaLegend, _, link in bio, or you can book with me on Squire, getsquire.pro.
There you go, there you go. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that like, comment at the bottom if you think, the legend, she did it. I know she did it, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment, you know what I mean? And don't forget to watch the other episodes, and we see you guys on the next one. As you already know, we out.